Isang makulimlim at maulan na ikalawang araw ng Hunyo 2021. Welcome po sa Wednesday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Meron po tayong bagyo na darating sa NCR, ang bagyong Dante, so mag-ingat po tayo. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw na nasimulan ko po noong August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa ICT or International Container Terminal. At ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, June 2, 2021 dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the business world, ICTSI to buy Manila Habour Center for 2.45 billion pesos. Listed port operator International Container Terminal Services Inc. announced on Tuesday that it had entered into a share purchase agreement with Prime Strategic Holdings or PSHI to acquire 100% of the shares of Manila Habour Center Port Services for around 2.45 billion. So bibili na niya yung North Harbour. The amount is subject to standard and usual closing adjustments to acquire 25 million secondary share representing 100% of MHCPSI's issued and outstanding shares, ICTSI said in a disclosure to the stock exchange. The said amount, which will be entirely paid in cash on closing, was negotiated and determined based on a discounted cash flow method. PSHI is a related party of ICTSI as both are under common ultimate ownership. Nonetheless, the transaction is an arm's length and is supported by a fairness opinion issued by an independent public accounting firm, ICTSI noted. Transfer of facilities to ICTSI management is expected to take place in mid-2021 once all conditions precedent and all required regulatory approvals have been obtained, the company added. As for the benefits of the transaction, the company said the transaction is expected to generate synergies and value-accretive returns for ICTSI shareholders. MHCPSI is a 10-hectare international break bulk and break port facility at the Port of Manila. Ito po yung port area sa may Marcos Avenue, I think. Yung kabahan po noon, yung North Harbour Road na papuntang Intramuros o yung papuntang Malabon, yan po yung area yon. It had a throughput of more than 4.3 million tons in its 865-meter quay last year and maintains a water depth of about 10 meters, according to ICTSI. So that's our news for the day. In the meantime, let's take a look at what happened to our Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI gained, and it is a breakout. Another breakout after 3 days of consolidation. So it gained 3.23% and noong May 27, it gained 5.11. So this is part 2 of the breakout for the PSEI. And yesterday, I was talking about this small candlestick with volume and sabi ko nga, baka magkaroon ng surge or increase the following day at nangyari na nga po yun today. Ang ating next resistance point ay nandito po sa 7,000 to 7,090. Sorry, dito po sa 6,950 to 6,960 yung next resistance point po ng PSCI. And napakaganda po ng showing ng ating PSCI, pero ang RSI is already overbought at 72. And as you know, the PSCI is composed of 30 choice stocks that passed the PSE standards of being an index stock. So let's now take a look at the market summary. 153 companies advanced, 52 declined, while 49 remained unchanged. The all-share index also expanded 2.35%, while all the sectoral indices are in the green. And this was led by the property sectors at 4.41%, followed by the holding companies at 3.59%. And we'll review the top 10 most active stocks. That's SMPH, MONDE, Ali, SM, ICT, BDO, Ayala Corporation, ACEN, MEG, and GTCAP. Okay, so let's do the review, the technical analysis on SMPH. So SMPH also had a it has a surge, and it went as high as 40.05 before settling at 38.05 or a 3.96% up, an increase. And it breached the resistance level dito po sa 38.50 level. Yun po yung level na breach niya, pero nag-bounce nung lumagpas ng konti tapos bumagsak uli. Kaya bullish po ang ating SMPH because the RSI is already at 65 and our closing price for the stock is above our three main moving averages. And then MONDE. Okay, MONDE had ended flat again, 1348 as yesterday. So parang wala naman, nothing yet, nothing there. Kung titingnan natin yung 15-minute uneventful. But I cannot do a technical analysis dahil dalawa lang po yung ating candlesticks for MONDE. So let's go to the next, Ali. Okay, Ali had a breakout. It gained 5.57% or 1.95 points, and it is now bullish. The RSI is already overbought at 71, with the next let's take resistance level ay nandito po sa 39.80 to 40 pesos ang next resistance level po ni Ali, and the sentiment is bullish. Then SM. Okay, SM had a bounce from a red candlestick yesterday. The closing price is now at 1,000, which is above our three main indicators: the exponential moving average of 20, 50, and 100 days respectively, represented by the orange, blue, and black lines. The sentiment is bullish, and it already reached the resistance level, the 1000 resistance level, and the next resistance level will be here at 1050 to 1060. And then after SM, ICT. Nag-surge na naman ang ICT, and it went as high as 150 with bullish indicators. Yung closing price niya is 149.10 and it went as high as 150. Kung technical analysis po ang pag-uusapan, 150 po yung kanyang tunay na presyo. Kaya po na-reach na po niya yung 150, pero very pa yun. So maaring tumaas pa po yan dahil yung ating indicators are very good. Plus, may mga good news po si ICT, like yung pagbili niya ng North Harbour facility, no? Yung 100% North Harbour facility, yung Manila Habour Center. So, maaring mag-out siya ng konti sa kanyang cash flow, pero maganda pa ring stock ang ICT. And the sentiment is bullish. And then BDO. So, time to shine sa mga index stocks. It rose 70 centavos to end at 106.50. Meron siya pong dividends. And the RSI is bullish at 59. The sentiment is bullish. So, the next resistance level that we'll have to check is 110. Kasi 106 po is already resistance. Kaya yung next level na titignan po natin would be 110 and then 115. And then Ayala Corporation. Yan, tumaas uli si Ayala Corporation. It broke the 800 level to end at 810 or 30 pesos and 50 centavos up 3.91%. Bullish po ang sentiment. RSI is at 64.51. And then ACEN, which is also another bullish stock. Actually, it ended 11 centavos higher at 742. Pero, unti-unti lang po yung kanyang akyat, ano? Kasi, above the candlesticks or above the indicators nga. Pero, maliit lang yung inaakyat niya. More of sideways to bullish ang kanyang movement. Then MEG. Okay, MEG recovered to end at 321, 13 centavos higher, and it is now above our two main indicators, yung 20 and 50-day exponential moving average, which makes the stock bullish. So yung next resistance level po niya nandito po sa 3.60 to 3.70. Then after MEG, our final stock is GTCAP. Okay, GTCAP had a breakout. Then this is 615. The price of 615 is the highest since December 2020. So yung next resistance level niya ay nandito po sa 650 to 655. Yan po yung next resistance level ni GTCAP. The sentiment is bullish. And overbought na po ang stock dahil nasa 77 na po yung ating RSI. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. June 2, 2021. Ito po ang yung lingkod, Benji Chadoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-subscribe at sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, God bless and bye for now.